Okay guys, welcome to Paco's Diecast Garage. What we're working in here today is a 1956 Ford panel truck. We're going to be doing our typical wheels swap Wednesday. Maybe do a little details. This vehicle have potential for some details on the front, as we saw it on the turntable, and some tail lights on the back. So we will be doing a little bit more than the wheel swap with a little details. Maybe, I don't know if we remove that chrome interior, but stay tuned. Here we go. Here we got the 1956 Ford already taken apart. We took it and drilled it and got those posts a little clean. We're going to be doing some drilling and tapping on those posts off camera, and we will start working on removing those wheels. That's mainly the focus of the video, so I'm gonna take it back here and show you guys how to remove those wheels in there. Here we go. Let's do the wheel removal. As you guys could see, these are just in position, very easy. You get these under, kind of hold it and pop it right out. There is the wheels that we're removing. Show you guys that in a minute. Let's get these under, and there we go, pop it right off. So you get basically under the wheel on this area, and then align it. I support it on the top because I try not to bend the axles, just in case somebody need it or I need it later. All right, so we're gonna go with a flathead screwdriver that we're gonna be chasing in here, and we're gonna be open these taps in here. So hopefully we could get through with the new axle, even though we're gonna be putting a little bit of super glue in there anyway. Do the same thing on the front. Interior was already took care of it. We did a little paint on the interior on black, left the motor on chrome and put a filter, red filter. Obviously the tires and wheels was changed for the rear riders, and we got headlights, windshield wipers and tail lights details in this unit. Let's see it on the round table, guys. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you guys. Have a good one. I hope you enjoy my videos. Like, subscribe and share.